Selfies have taken over this generation. Between selfies, ussies, and selfie sticks, everywhere you turn, you're gonna see one or the other. Selfies are one of the most common pictures that just about everyone takes. It's gone from even the younger generation to grandparents taking selfies of themselves and with their grandchildren and posting on social media. Selfies are also so common on Facebook, on Snapchat of course, and Instagram. Instagram, when I looked it up, had actually over 262 million posts under the hashtag selfie. Not only are there selfies and ussies, which had multiple people in the shot, but there is now called selfie sticks. And selfie sticks are supposed to help get a better angle for your selfie. Now not only that, but you've got different filters people will use. You've got to make sure the lighting is right. You got to make sure you got the right side of which side you're going to take the picture from. And just everything comes into effect when you're taking a selfie. Not only that, but theme parks have actually had to ban selfie sticks because they have caused harm or been in the way for people. People have tried to use them on rides, on attractions, during shows, and even walking around, causing people to get hit in the head, run into each other, or even cause even worse. So selfie sticks have had to be banned, but you can usually find them at any store or sometimes even in girls' purses. So selfies are the most common picture that you see on all social media. I'm actually really responsible for taking quite a few selfies myself, and if you're like me, you take about 10 selfies just to get the one right one that looks the best, if not more. And so selfies are just so popular and have become so common that no matter where you go, like I said, you can turn and see just about anyone taking a selfie. So they've had to be banned and also become super popular that it's made it hard to ban them in those theme parks. But next time you look around, just know that probably someone with their phone up is taking a selfie for Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, or just their phone to have in their camera roll. Even probably behind me, they're taking selfies. The selfie generation has taken over and is living strong.